our clients ask, what do the panels look like installed? Because we make a lot of videos. So this is what it looks like. So you can see here, we've 2 panels here put in. So sitting nicely between the skylight. These are our Sunlife 1 heaters, coming with a 15-year guarantee. They're frameless and matte with a little shadow gap at the back of the heater. We've 2 up high here, we've 1 in here, and we've 1 here. So these are, they come with a 15-year guarantee. There's no maintenance, no hassle. They put a lovely gentle heat into the room. They are all controlled with our IR sun regulator, and this will regulate energy into the room, saving the customer 20% in energy consumption. So we've 1 looking after this zone, and we've 1 over here on the wall looking after this panel over the dining area. So why did the client install infrared? Because we could come in a day and install the heaters without any disruption to the client. We offer the 15-year guarantee. It's a lovely, natural, comfortable heat into the room, and most importantly is the running costs. So the running costs of these heaters are, this heater will cost around 25 cents an hour to run, but over a 10-hour period the heater won't be on for a full 10 hours as an example. So it runs around 50% of the time, which means that it's an efficient, effective way to heat your home. So no more oil, no more gas, infrared heating, no maintenance, 15-year warranty, 40-year lifespan. Excellent product. For more information, check out our website, infraredheat.ie.